Good day, everybody. We're at the 3rd of August, 2024. I'm Connor MacIvor. We're going to be doing our daily real estate broadcast today. We have 487 total active units on the market for sale. That is an increase over last week at our 480 number, and this has been a continual increase this year. My suggestion for you sellers out there that are contemplating listing your properties, first off, you need to find out if you're going to have a place to be able to go. Are there going to be listings that are going to be adequate for you to either move up or move down, depending on what type of move you're going to make? You want to make sure that those listings actually exist. Now, that's not going to be the listing you're going to be making an offer on more than likely, because most markets, at least the ones locally, are moving in such a dynamic fashion and fast with 10 to 12 days before they get into escrow. That's not a lot of lead time. So if you're looking and contemplating what you're going to be doing in the future, more than likely it's going to be a different residence, but at least by doing that diligence and looking at those properties out there, you'll be able to find out if there is something at least that looks like it's going to work for you. In addition, you buyers out there need to look at this new commission agreement. The buyer broker agreements you're going to be signing to look at properties. Make sure that the charges that the agent's telling you they're going to charge you are reflected on the document. Don't let these numbers be arbitrary where they're just going to speak to you and give you a percentage. Although you might be great at math and able to compute the percentage quickly, it's nice to hear it from the service provider instead of trying to beat around the bush about it. They should be upfront with you and say, this is what I charge for these services, and that's how it is. And then you take it from there. Both sides, you have a choice on what you're going to pay your professional. Make sure you choose your professional wisely and that they're in the game for you. Thank you for watching our Saturday update. Today, of course, is the 3rd of April. August. Here we go with the A's again. 2024. I'm Connor MacIvor. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Santa Clarita open houses over and out.